Visit us on onestepenglish.com.
Business English. Meetings.
Let's learn English. Today, we will learn some words that we usually hear in a group meeting.
We will also give some examples, so you will understand each word.
Agenda. It refers to a list of things to be done. Agenda. Here's an example.
Mike, what's our agenda for our meeting today?
We will discuss our proposal for next quarter's sales goals.
Minutes. It refers to detailed notes that serve as a written record of a meeting. Minutes. Here's an example.
May, don't forget to write the minutes of the meeting. I'm on it, madam.
Brainstorm. It is a group discussion to produce ideas or solve problems. Brainstorm. Here's an example.
Are we going to have a brainstorm for the next campaign? I think we can do it at the next meeting, since it's not that important right now.
Strategy. It refers to a plan of action or policy designed to achieve a goal. Strategy. Here's an example.
This strategy has its drawbacks. Do you have any other plans?
We do have a backup plan, but I think we can pull this off.
Collaborate. It means working together to a common purpose to achieve business benefits. Collaborate. Here's an example.
Let the marketing and creative department collaborate on the next project. I will inform them about this.
Feedback. It is information about a reaction to something, which is used as a basis for improvement. Feedback. Here's an example.
Any feedback regarding the last commercial that we released? It reached a lot of potential customers, and it got good reviews as well.
Update. It refers to giving the newest information about something. Update. Here's an example.
Are there any updates we need to discuss?
I think all of the issues have been already discussed.
Consensus. It refers to a general agreement. Consensus. Here's an example.
It's difficult to come to a consensus about this issue, so we'll get back to it next meeting.
I will take note of that, madam.
Decision making. It is an act of making decisions, especially important ones. Decision making. Here's an example.
I will let you all do the decision making about our next campaign. We'll present to you our plan next meeting.
Let's practice your English.
Ready your pen and paper, then try to answer the exercise.
Choose the correct answer.
Mike, what's for our meeting today?
Letter A. Agenda.
Letter B. Minutes.
Letter C. Brainstorm.
The correct answer is letter A. Agenda. Mike, what's our agenda for our meeting today?
May, don't forget to write the of the meeting.
Letter A. Collaborate.
Letter B. Minutes.
Letter C. Strategy.
The correct answer is letter B. Minutes. May, don't forget to write the minutes of the meeting.
Are we going to have a for the next campaign?
Letter A. Agenda.
Letter B. Feedback.
Letter C. Brainstorm. The correct answer is letter C. Brainstorm. Are we going to have a brainstorm for the next campaign? This has its drawbacks. Do you have any other plans?
Letter A. Strategy.
Letter B. Minutes.
Letter C. Decision making.
The correct answer is letter A. Strategy. This strategy has its drawbacks. Do you have any other plans?
Let the marketing and creative department on the next project.
Letter A. Feedback.
Letter B. Collaborate.
Letter C. Brainstorm.
The correct answer is letter B. Collaborate. Let the marketing and creative department collaborate on the next project.
Any. Regarding the last commercial that we released?
Letter A. Consensus.
Letter B. Strategy.
Letter C. Feedback. The correct answer is letter C. Feedback. Any feedback regarding the last commercial that we released? Are there any we need to discuss?
Letter A. Update.
Letter B. Collaborate.
Letter C. Decision making.
The correct answer is letter A. Update. Are there any updates we need to discuss?
It's difficult to come to A about this issue, so we'll get back to it next meeting.
Letter A. Feedback.
Letter B. Consensus.
Letter C. Agenda.
The correct answer is letter B. Consensus. It's difficult to come to a consensus about this issue, so we'll get back to it next meeting.
I will let you all do the about our next campaign.
Letter A. Minutes.
Letter B. Update.
Letter C. Decision making. The correct answer is letter C. Decision making. I will let you all do the decision making about our next campaign.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.com.